Well, boys, here she is. She's on the trailer, ready to go home. She's an hour away from her new home. A little better look at her now she's up in the air. I think she's going to be a diamond in the rough. She's definitely rough, but she's got good bones, and that's all that matters. So let's point this rig south and get our ass back to Cleveland County. We'll catch you guys later. All right, here she is. We're home. We made it. No crazy circumstances, nothing happened, but I tried a little mixture of purple stuff, Clorox, and water on this bedside, and you can tell there's the before, there's the after. So she's going to clean up nice. The frame is in good shape. It's got some surface rust on it, but that shit'll blast off with the pressure washer. It's got cab corners. Cab corners are still there. And the floors, of course, the body mounts are about to leave the chat. Is that? It may be a little rust right there. Who knows? Might be. I can't tell. No, dirt. Wiped it off. She's not too greasy. The oil pan's not dripping. It's got the complete exhaust. It's all there. Of course, a lot of it's been replaced over the years. I guess you should probably see. But the rear end is covered in oil, so I figure it's got a bad pinion seal. But she's gonna have to have a lot of stuff gone through anyway. Body mounts are shot. You know, they're about to leave the chat. Oh. But the old boy drove her. He drove the shit out of her. So I'm probably not going to do any more to it today because it's getting cloudy and shitty. So I'm probably going to, supposed to be really nice tomorrow. I'll probably wash it up, unload it off the trailer. So that's it for now. Alright, couldn't stand it. I went ahead and washed the entire side. So she looks a whole lot better. Clean the wheels a little bit. And wheels are going to turn out nice. They got a little bit of brake dust on them. I think this one's got some, yeah, it's got some up in there, but I think with the right cleaner that shit'll come off. I can't wait to put some tires on this motherfucker. But she looks a lot better. I might have to get over here. I'm too close. I'm jammed up against the house. I think I got the wrong house. So yeah, she's looking good. My fucking hinge pins for the door should be here Monday. I ordered a blower motor because the blower motor is locked up. So tomorrow I'll film when I'm cleaning it up. After I get it off a trailer, I'll set up the tripod and stuff. I just kind of wanted to get at it today. I didn't really have a whole lot of time, especially loading it up. I wanted to film that, but I was kind of in a hurry to get out of that guy's hair, so I didn't film all that. He probably wouldn't have minded, but I didn't want to take up his time. So that's it for now. This time for real. We'll see y'all tomorrow.